I received this email from the Firearm Industry Trade Association. This is about websites posting ammo for sale that's a scam to get your money, your credit card information, etc. Now, a lot of the websites that I posted ammunition back for sale, like Ammunition Depot, massammo.com, Ammo Empire, those were all legit. I've bought from those people. Guns Midwest was another one. I bought stuff from those people. So just be aware of the website that you're ordering from, that it's legit. If you have any issues, you can contact the FBI or the ATF with the website and report them. So I heard this story way back. People were ordering ammunition from websites and they weren't receiving the ammunition. Their credit card was charged, and when I tried to contact these people, they wouldn't answer the phone and they wouldn't reply online emails. So everybody always out to scam somebody. Nobody wants to do an honest day's work. So just be a lookout. If you not feel comfortable with the website selling ammunition, or it's really cheap to draw you in, thinking you're getting a deal, it could be a scam. Just be aware of the scams going out.